Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add phone number on your Gmail account. So let's get into it. First of all, log into your Google account. At the top, tap Personal Info. Under Contact Info, tap Phone. Tap Add Now. You might need to sign in. Enter your phone number. Click Next. Then click on Get Code. Enter the code to verify your phone number. Finally, tap Verify to confirm. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.